Hi there, it's Michael Pilarski with another Friends of the Trees Botanicals restoration video. And today's July 18th, 2022, and I wanted to show off this brand new tool. My friend Bruce Jones invented this. This is for when you're out there in the our dry, semi-arid Okanagan and we're pulling up diffuse knapweed or various other weeds that we're trying to get rid of in a wildland interface. So it's a restoration technique. And so generally when you pull up a weed, usually what's going to come up is the same weed or a worse one. And so this, when I go to pull up the weed, this is a salt shaker in here, and it's got a little hole, and inside it's got, in this case, red clover and yarrow seeds. So when I go to pull up the weed, it shakes some of the seed into the soil disturbance area, and I'm going to get something I want instead of another weed. So this is a way of doing hand pulling weeds and reseeding at the same time, all in the same motion. So quite a good job, Bruce Jones, for inventing this tool. You can make one yourself. This is a right-hand version. Here's a left-hand version right here. So just a little bit of cloth. We'll see if he's going to actually go into production selling these things. But at any rate, I wanted to show you this because it's a cool idea. I think this is the first time I've seen anybody invent this. Okay, so here's some weeds. We got some mustards here. And so if I go to pull the mustards here, as you can see, I create a bit of soil disturbance. And so it's just the act of the pulling, I could give it an extra shake or two, but basically when I pull, I get seed coming out. So this is a handy trick for wildland restoration when you're trying to get rid of invasive weeds by hand pulling and reseed at the same time. So there you go, folks. So you have to have the hole, the seed that's in here that will make fit for the hole. So for larger seeds, I'd have to have a bigger hole. This works good for red clover and yarrow, relatively small seed. So, all right, so go, go, go. We want the good guys to come up.